Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the case from Spigen. This is called Thin Fit and it has MagSafe built in as well. So yeah, let's get into it. And I think this is quite nice as well because you see it doesn't really take fingerprints, which I love. This is raised, covered, all the cutouts, and it has MagSafe as well. So let's put this in. Pops in very nice. And yeah, it's minimalistic. It's a bit raised over the entire screen. So yeah, on all these cases, I've noticed that this is a bit exposed in here, to be honest. If it drops on this corner, it's definitely getting scratched. So you have to be careful, but otherwise it's everything nice and it looks amazing. And then you have MagSafe as well. And because it's not that raised around the camera, it's just a little bit, MagSafe works pretty nice. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to remove. I think this might be the one that I'm gonna use because I really like it. So yeah,